All right, welcome back, guys. I've not been able to post anything for a while, and I'm sorry for that. I've just been a little bit busy with some stuff. My truck blew up. I don't know. It was about a month and a half ago now, and I did not film any of that. I didn't think about filming any of it. I just wanted to get it done. It is a vehicle that I normally would drive to work because I don't like driving that. It just sits too low, and around here it's snowing right now, and it has summer tires on it, so it's just not practical. And Here, I'll just show you what I'm doing here now. All right, there's a temperature sensor right down here, and you got to make sure that's plugged in. When I changed the head gasket, I thought I had everything plugged in, and you'll think you have everything plugged in, but this thing would not start hot. It would start cold, but it would not start when it's hot. And my temperature gauge was not working at all. So that's a sure indication that that one right there is not working, or it's not plugged in or something. It's kind of a pain to get to. Had to use these pliers, needle nose pliers, to be able to get down in there. My hands are like every other normal mechanic's hands. Can't fit down into small places where these Japanese trucks are built by people with a lot smaller build. And yeah, basically when I'd go to have to start it when it was hot, I'd have to push the throttle down halfway or fully down and only run for a few seconds and then it'd die. And I'll get back onto this video here shortly. I'm gonna start it up, let it warm up to operating temperature, shut it off, and start it back up, and I'll film the start back up when it's hot. All right, guys, we're back. Temperature gauge is working. I hope that engine light goes off soon. Brake light's on because I don't think the cable's connected, to be honest with you. It's idling. It sounds a little rough outside. I have a major exhaust leak. It just now I gotta get that fixed. It's going to drive me nuts. But before, it would try to hold itself at 3,000, and this is what it's been doing. It's idle rough, and then it'll pick itself back up. So I don't know, maybe you guys can comment down below and tell me what's going on with it. But I'm going to shut it off and then try and restart it and see what happens here. Oh, shoot. Nope. Well, I don't know if it's actually going to work or not. Well, I guess I'll get back to you guys and we'll figure out what's going on with this thing. It might be an idle screw issue. So still it's doing the same thing. I can turn it over and it'll sit there for a little while, and it starts to just dive down, and it'll eventually just shut itself off. And there it goes, right there. So if you guys could comment down below, just maybe give me some ideas on this thing. I don't really know what I'm doing with it. I've never had a Toyota pickup or a 22RE. I've mostly dealt with carbureted stuff and American made stuff. This is my first time with an older import with high mileage and to be in a truck. The only other time I've dealt with an older import was with a built Honda Prelude. But on another note, I just got that thing back from a body shop. I hit a deer because I live up in the middle of nowhere, and deer do a lot of damage. But I'll talk about that car in another video. I'll see you guys next time.